Okay, so I recently made a new notes app called iRemember. Yes, kind of shameless plug, sorry about that. But that's not really what this video is about. What this video is about is, I'm just curious, at least based on those who saw this video. I need this information to, just to figure out what kind of content on regarding notes apps that people want to watch. And yeah, it is a pretty small niche, but like, I still just want to figure it out, for reasons. Because, I need some data. But the question is this: what notes apps are you using and why? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you clicked on iRemember, what do you think of my notes app if you tried it out? Anyway, that's all for now. And yeah, it is a short video, but I really just wanted to ask this question. But I make a lot of productivity related content, so feel free to subscribe to me for more content like this. That's all for now. See you next time.